we will make cakes one by one. Learning names is so much fun. This is a pineapple, yellow and sweet. Let's make a cake that we can eat. Pineapple cake, so soft and cool. Yummy, yummy, super school. This is a strawberry, red and bright. Let's make a cake that looks so nice. Strawberry cake with cream on top. Sweet, sweet taste, we never stop. This is a chocolate, brown and fun. Let's make a cake for everyone. Chocolate cake, so rich and sweet. Big, big slices, fun to eat. This is a vanilla, white and plain. Let's make a cake again, again. Vanilla cake, so soft and light. Every bite feels just right. This is a mango, juicy and gold. Let's make a cake we love to hold. Mango cake, so bright and sweet. Summer treat we love to eat. This is a banana, long and yellow. Let's make a cake so soft and mellow. Banana cake with yummy taste. Not a single crumb to waste. This is an apple, red and round. Let's make a cake that's homey and sound. Apple cake, so warm and nice. Cinnamon smell is a surprise. This is an orange, juicy and bright. Let's make a cake full of delight. Orange cake with tangy cheer. Happy taste we love so dear. This is a coconut, hard outside. Let's make a cake so soft inside. Coconut cake, white as snow. Sweet, sweet flavor as we go. This is a carrot, orange and long. Let's make a cake so nice and strong. Carrot cake with crunchy bite. Healthy treat that feels so right. This is a cherry, small and red. Let's make a cake that looks well spread. Cherry cake with toppings high. Pretty, pretty like the sky. This is a blueberry, tiny and